What up guys, it's Nicole and today I'm doing the BRETMAN X COLOURPOP collaboration review / tutorial. This is how it turned out, which I'm actually so stoked. It is such a good collaboration, like there's no words at how good this is. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to see this look and my final thoughts, just keep on watching. So my base is done because I just really want to focus on the products that I have in front of me. I have the lip kit by BRETMAN, the wet kit lipsticks, and then the lip blush. Now both palettes today, so this is what the lip one looks like. And then I'm sure you guys have seen this all over the internet already, but have to do it. And this is what the lipsticks look like. And last but not least is the blush, which hopefully works out for me because the other one looked too dark. I feel like it was going to be too much for me, being how light I am. So yeah, I'm just going to get started. I'm going to go in with the wet kit and go into Skinny Legend. That one there. Put that straight through my crease. Macchiato, that one right there. I'm pretty sure I just butchered that so badly. I am sorry. They blend so well. You Are Beach, that one. Put that on the outer V. Damn, I can't even choose what I want to do next. They're so nice. Should I add blue? I think to my crease I'm going to add a tiny little bit of blue. Good luck to me. I'm just using I'm chilling for that. Now I'm going to do the same to the other eye. I really need to like learn to put other colors down first before I do the outer V. Make my life so much easier. Might try Fishy, which is the green. Okay, so I'm gonna put concealer on. I'm gonna put a little bit of thickens down, just a little bit. And on the rest of my eye, I'm gonna do Fishy. So I just went off camera and did my other eye. This is how they turned out. I like this one. As we know, this right side always works better. Always. But I'm digging it. Okay, so now the blush called Stop It. I feel like this is going to be too much for my cheeks. Pigmented straight off the bat. Brush some on my arm so it doesn't like shock my face. That still shows up so nice. And that's with me like wiping some on my skin just because I didn't want too much of it to come off, otherwise I'd look a bit funny. Okay, and now I'm going to try the lipsticks that came with it. Nicole BFF3 lip liner. She's Cute is the lips. And that's a satin. Kumquat is the gloss, which is what I'm going to try next. It smells good. That lip combo is so nice. Okay, so this is a final look using the BRETMAN X COLOURPOP collaboration. I'm in love with this eye look and this lip combo that they have going on for the wet set is amazing. Like, living for it. 10 out of 10 knew BRETMAN would do amazing with this collaboration, and you did not disappoint. I'm so in love with it. 10 out of 10 recommend. And if you want to see the lip palette, mainly the tutorial by itself, because I ended up mainly using the wet palette, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.